Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to transfer Matic from Gemini to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're looking to secure your assets or just get more hands-on with your crypto, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. Matic, also known as Matic, is the token for the Polygon network, and moving it from an exchange like Gemini to a secure wallet like Arculus is a smart move for better control and lower fees. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Gemini account set up and verified. Log in to your Gemini dashboard. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section and find your Matic holdings. Click on Matic to select it, then look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens. Before you proceed, double-check the network. Matic transfers typically use the Ethereum or Polygon network, so ensure it's set to the correct one to avoid any issues. Gemini will prompt you for this. Next, you'll need your Arculus wallet address. Open your Arculus app or device, go to the Receive section, and copy the Matic address. It's crucial to get this right, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Back in Gemini, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transfer should take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop over to your Arculus wallet and verify that your Matic has arrived. If you run into any hiccups, like delays or errors, check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan or PolygonScan. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Matic. This process keeps your assets safer and gives you more flexibility. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and thanks for watching.